Hey, if you are a content creator, social media manager, or a marketer, you must have these 6 tools which I am gonna share it in this video. It will help you to save your time and it will help you to become more productive, and it will smooth your work ethic. So you will not miss out anything in your social media management and content creation workflow. Very first app is Trello. Like Trello is a project management tool which is really useful for businesses and especially for content creators and marketers to list out what needs to be done and what task we are going to work on this week or this month, and on which task we are actually working. So it will help you a lot and it will save your time and everything will be saved on the board. Trello is actually really useful and it is really easy to use tool for all the content creators and marketers. You definitely have to check it out, and I'm actually using it, and my I have whole my team in Trello. So yeah, it's a really good tool. I will I recommend you to use it. And second app is Google Drive. Like you must have to use Google Drive. Google is actually giving you 15 GB of data to use on the Google Drive. So you can actually save your videos, your text files, your graphics, and everything on your Google Drive, which is completely free. And I think it's a really good package of having a 15 GB free data which you can access anywhere at any time on your laptop, computer, and mobile phone. So you definitely have to check it out. Google Drive. A tool I'm using for my content creation and managing and marketing stuff is Google Sheets. It is really important to have to know about Google Sheets and how you can use it for the different purposes. But for content creation workflow, I actually realized it is really helpful. I have a whole week's content calendar where I can see that what I'm going to post on this specific week, date, and day. So you can see it right here. So it is really helpful. You have to know how content creation workflow you can use for Google Sheets. So it will let you know that on which day or on which time or which month you actually posted that piece of content, and it is very helpful to save your ideas. You can actually create a new sheet and save your ideas there. More tool which I'm gonna share, you probably know about it, but maybe you don't have an idea that we are actually using it. It's called Zoom. Zoom is really a tool to hop on different team meetings, client sessions, and pretty much for everything. It is very good for remote workers who are actually working remotely from their company or with any client. You will get a lot of value, and it is actually free. So yeah, you must have to take all the benefits which Zoom is giving to you. Fifth tool which I use a lot and my team use it a lot is called Canva. Canva is an online tool which is used to create awesome graphics, video. Now they actually launch the video templates as well, and you can create so many awesome and great graphics on the Canva. And I actually use for my lots of clients, and I actually use it for my content as well. Like if you see my Instagram, the post I was creating is totally from Canva. It is really awesome tool. You must have to give it a try if you are a content creator or you are struggling with creating content, or you have a client who wants you to create content. You can go and check it out. It will give you all the premium and awesome graphics and awesome content which is actually customizable, you will get a lot of value. You made it this far, and now you actually have a tool to manage your content and your ideas. You have a tool to organize it and do conferences with each other, and like everything you have to create content. So how you gonna post it to all of your platform, because it is actually overwhelming, and you have to test it out the specific time, that what time is good for your audience. So now we have to, this is the sixth tool which I am going to give you, how you gonna schedule your content and it will be get posted while you are sleeping. So there are some paid tools and a free tool as well. So which but I am using, I will tell you in the end what I am using. So the free tool is called Creator Studio, and the paid tool is, there are various paid tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, Later.com, and a bunch of others. So they are actually really good, and I really like it, and I use Later.com and Hootsuite especially for my clients. But for myself, I use Creator Studio because it is completely free, and it is actually given by the Facebook and Instagram, and we must have to utilize it because it will actually keep track of your reach, like how many people posted it and everything you can see on your Creator Studio, which is given by actually from the companies which is holding both of these platforms. So now you can schedule it, and you have everything to create content and start getting results and become a famous on social media. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you get a lot of value out of it, and you will be on your path to create content. So if you get any kind of value out of it, smash that like button, and it will help me to create more videos like this. And you can also comment your questions, and don't forget to share it with others. I will see you in the next video. Go.